Did you know over 70% of ACCA students in India qualify for at least 4 exemptions, but most have no idea about it. So if you're a BCom or BBA student dreaming of big fours like Deloitte or KPMG or MNCs like JP Morgan, this video could literally save you months of effort. I'm breaking down how ACCA exemptions work, who gets how many, and how to avoid the most common mistake that can slow down your career. Part 1. What are ACCA exemptions? ACCA has 13 exams in total, but the good news? Based on what you've already studied, you can skip some papers. That's what exemptions are. It's like ACCA saying, you already know this, no need to write the exam again. But wait, should you skip everything you're allowed to? Hold that thought, we'll get there. Part 2. ACCA exemptions, quick breakdown. Here's a fast cheat sheet. Class 12th completed, you give all 13 papers, starting from scratch. BCom from a recognized university, only 8 papers to give. You are exempt from BT, MA, FA, LW and TX. BBA from a recognized university, same as BCom, you skip BT, MA, FA, LW and TX. BCom from a non-recognized university, you give 9 papers, skipping BT, MA, FA and LW. BBA from a non-recognized university, same as BCom non-recognized. You skip BT, MA, FA and LW. BCom plus CA Inter, IPCC, just 7 papers. You skip BT, MA, FA, LW, TX and AA. BCom non-recognized plus CA Inter, in some cases you may get slightly fewer exemptions. Qualified CA, after 2003, only 4 papers left. You're exempt from all 9 up to skill level. MCom or MBA, finance graduates, usually you will get the same exemptions as BCom or BBA. However, if your undergrad wasn't recognized, your postgrad recognition may still impact your exemptions. Other accounting qualifications, CMA India, CS, ACCA Diploma in Accounting and Business. These may also grant exemptions, details vary. So confirm with the ACCA Exemption Calculator, link is in the description. If this helped, hit that like so more students find it too. Part 3. What most students get wrong. Now, here's where things go wrong. A lot of students think more exemptions is equal to easier path, but not always. Skipping technical papers like TX, that's taxation, or AA, audit, without learning them properly, that's a setup for disaster and strategic level exams. In fact, many North Star students choose not to skip subjects like TX because tax laws differ globally and it's hard to catch up later. AA, because it builds your base for strategic audit. If you're unsure, get in touch with our team for free one-on-one counseling and get your doubts cleared before you decide. Part 4. Do exemptions affect ACCA's global value? No. Whether you write 4 papers or all 13, your ACCA certificate is valid in 180 plus countries. What matters isn't what you skip, it's whether you're job ready. At North Star Academy, we don't just help you claim exemptions, we also help you revise skipped topics just in case you need that head start. Part 5. How to check your ACCA exemptions. Here's how to find your exact exemptions. Visit acccaglobal.com. Go to the exemption calculator, enter your college plus qualification, boom! See how many papers you can skip. Pro tip, not all Indian universities are recognized by ACCA. If your college isn't listed, don't panic, we'll guide you through it. Part 6. Most asked ACCA exemption questions. Can I skip exempted papers automatically? No, you must apply through ACCA's official portal. Number 2. Can I lose exemptions if I delay? Yes, ACCA updates its policies, so claim early. Number 3. Will my employers know what I skipped? No, your final ACCA certificate doesn't show that. What matters is how confident you are in interviews. Still unsure about whether to claim all your exemptions or skip a few? Then don't miss our next video, ACCA versus CA, which one's better for a global career. It'll blow your mind.